The best part of this hotel is not the beautiful rooms or the presidential suite that we find ourselves in today. It's really the outdoor shingling that I think is the most attractive thing. Or maybe it's a deck with the greatest view in the world ever. I mean, really, can you possibly argue with this? Imagine this at dusk with, 20, 30 of your closest friends and family, having some drinks, some hors d'oeuvres. I mean, I don't think royalty, I don't think the Rockefellers or the Rothschilds have anything on this. The fact that we're here and they're not means we're winning. I don't know where they're in some bunker somewhere, but we're here. We're here. We're alive. Ooh, I don't need breaking the Bono. Ooh, I'm still, wait, that's any better. I'm still alive, yeah. I'm still alive, yeah. Ba, 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 ba. Oops. Sorry about that. Shit. Come on. The sound of nature and vacuums.